amazing. Big up yourself. Hi guys, welcome to the vlog. If you're new here, my name is Bicana and we'll be filming our best weekend ever vlog. Tess is right here. And if you watched the video from last year, this is Tess. Remember Tess? And if you haven't watched it, I'll leave the link here and in the description, so go and check out the video. Tess is trying to jerk chicken patty. I'm gonna try it too, but I'm gonna try it over on TikTok. So make sure you guys are following me on TikTok, and I'll leave everybody's information down in the description if you want to check out their social media. But we're gonna head on the road now. I will see you guys when I get to Ochi. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, and big up yourself. So this is pineapple juice. We're in Ochi, by the way. This is pineapple juice with the Malibu original. Let's see. It's very nice. This is very nice. Alright, thank you. Guys, outside we're not going in. We reached at the redemption center. So I don't know if you remember from last year, but basically we have to go and turn in our tickets for our band, and we actually get some goodie bags and merch. So we're waiting for Bianca and our other friends. Oh, the entrance is over there this time. Guys, we're here so much earlier than last year. Last year was pitch black, but we're here, we're outside. Make sure you like, comment, and share. Subscribe. I know so. Oh, okay. We got this way, this way.
So it just basically means that you're responsible for yourself. So anything you do on your head top is not on us.
Yeah.
You get 10% off at Guns River. And this is your wristband.
I'll put it on this time.
So this allows you access into all of the events for the whole weekend. Then you also get a bag.
Thank you. Thank you. Is this it?
Yeah, that's it.
All right, guys.
Weekend.
All right, thank you.
No problem.
All right, guys, let's go. Thank you.
I got fake people showing. Something ain't right when we talk. Something ain't right when we talking. Look like you're hiding your problems. I really you never was solid.
Hey, you come my way.
Next thing, my best friend.
Go best friend.
Living team.
Got to be your lover. Got what you require. No time to linger. In your love.
Thank you.
We're heading into event number 1. I love Soca. It's currently almost 1 a.m. in the morning. So we don't need a ticket, sir. No, we don't need a ticket.
Have a season bar?
More vibes, you know?
The place is no. The vloggy vlog. How are you feeling?
Excited. I can't wait to jump.
Jump. Tess, how you feeling? Yeah. Banga. Banga. Sorry. Bianca and Bicana. Oh, what's enough?
One day you'll make it. Ladies, every girl, let's see how much you like it. Party. Tell it.
It's a busy. You already have a vibe. Far away.
Goes well with soca music. I believe that's marijuana. Let me see it right here. Ladies inside of my soca. Listen to me.
And this trying to take my life away.
Listen. 2, 3, yo, let's What is
So 2-legged.
Guys, we have some jerk chicken here in festival. Big bad pan, you know. Yeah.
I help with the serving. 2, sir.
Guys, we are heading to our next event. This is event number 2. I can't promise that we are going to go to all events, but we are heading to Daybreak right now. We're going to eat some amazing food, listen to some amazing music. To the vendors that provide the food, you are amazing. The food was delicious, if I didn't get to tell you earlier. But this is a little sneak preview of my outfit. a little risque. But I'm trying something. I'm trying to be in my body a little bit more. And this is Bianca. And Tess is right there, but you can't really see him. So let's go. You good?
Don't drop the flag.
Stop is exit 21, and this is what we're eating. We're eating some sliders, some pasta, and chicken.
Did we just say that?
It's a jet to holiday. Where is Tess? Where is Asset Allen?
We should drive in. I said that we should drive into the gas station. She used that.
A girl from Bronx, Mount Vernon, and she a girl and she a tell me she a skirt at America. And no green card me a search for. Me just have one buck a girl in life.
She will par with me, go anywhere far with me. This a girl I love you rough. And if you fall from me, probably me your bad. Me the deep night
dog. You coulda give your life to Jesus or work with spirit.
We're gonna scan this little thing. Okay. What did he say? Goldilocks? No, what did he say? What did he say?
Blondie Dread.
Blondie Dread?
The good clothes and the good shoes down.
Somebody point to the birthday person.
Get
Don't badmind your friend. Rule number 3, 4, 5, 6. If your friend is fighting, you should fight with your fucking friend. If your friend get beat up with your friend. If your friend say we are going to jail with your friend.
Just remember me.
Anybody from New York City? We're gonna play a New York City artist. Anybody from New York City?
Pussy dead and stop like madman play. Killer make we up with the Hong Kong key.
Raise your gun on us! Low! Your time now to blood clot. Ready? Party time now, Ricky. Let's go to music. Party time now, Ricky. Party time. Party time. Party time. Party time now. Party time now. No, we have another dog. Everybody. Go, short. Have your party there. Come on, ladies who don't need a man to survive. You spend your own money, say whoa.
You can't tell me what you do, what you go.
Ladies, if you agree with me that the nigga should pay your rent, your car note, pay for your hairstyle, make some fucking noise.
Sing with keys, come on your knees and sing with keys.
Yo, Ricky, we're not making a long speech for the song here.
And right now, you can save up to £240 for a family of 4.
Yeah!
Good morning, B Squad. So as you can see, I'm in the supermarket. I'm gonna get some breakfast stuff and we're running low on hand towel. But oh my god, when did hand towel get so expensive? One for $336. Didn't they used to have some for like 50 or 100 and them price there? Oh my god. Anywho, we need one of these, so we're gonna pick up the $336 one. Actually, this one is $316. So I'm gonna get that one. This little mini butter, right, like all the way in the back. I got one of those for $374. And I think I want to get some Tasties cheese slices, but I'm not sure. I'll have to come back because I want to make sure I get everything. I definitely want some eggs, but that's too much. That is way too much eggs. Oh my god. Let's see. Y'all, who remembers Monster Milk? This used to be my favorite. The Monster Milk. Anywho, I think I may get some Supplegen. But guys, they don't have any more eggs. I don't know what to do. I got SPF on my face and on my body. Yeah, I picked up this chicken sausage. Bianca can't have pork. So she asked for either chicken or turkey. I don't see no turkey, so I'll pick up the chicken. And then, I don't know, I was gonna get eggs and like waffles or pancake mix, but I don't really see that either. So, I don't know. Alright, supermarket haul. I got some baked beans. I got some sardines because I feel for sardines weird, but that's what I like. Some banana chips, the hand towel I told you about, ginger beer, and a stick of butter. Got some the chicken frank, 2 tomato, 2 onion, and got some melon, bare melon. We'll see how good they taste. Some more here. And some more right here. And that's it. That's all I got. It was 4,300. And this is what that got me. I have no idea which event this one is, guys. But it actually is event number 3 or 4. We're heading to Rice and Toast. A little sneak preview of my outfit. And yeah, we're getting ready to go. So make sure you stay tuned for more. I hope you enjoyed Zimi Seh Beach yesterday and the little supermarket run. The breakfast was delicious, so now we're ready to just party and have a little bit more fun. We are gonna go to Allure tonight. We're not gonna make it to late checkout tomorrow, but it is what it is. We're here to have fun. We're young and we only have one life to live, and we're gonna live it. So make sure you like up the video, comment, share, subscribe, and stay tuned for more. Guys, why is the line like 100 people? Look how long the line is.
Yeah.
energy.
Baby mama there, so. That's my wife there. Your way. So high. Listen, Philly. Listen, Philly. Guess what? Sing it, Queen. Guess what?
Oh na 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 na. Oh na na. Oh na 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 na. Oh na na na. Somebody say oh na 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 na. Oi, DJ. Good night. How we go? Oh, man, I go. Oh, go. Come on, come on, oh, sorry. Oh, yeah, all right. Yeah, go. Man, what air from the sun did up, you still smell good. Put your hand in the ear and wave them so. Wave them so. Everybody here. If you don't want to dance, yeah, just dance like Sean Paul in the all that music video. Everybody flip go side to side. That's right, flip go side to side.
I love you rough when she calls me, and if you fall from me, probably me up.
Can you give me the tightest hold me ever get in my life? Behind them train me no kiss. Down in the middle of the street. How did I ever let you be? Oh no.
Watch out, boy, she'll shoot you up.
Good morning, V Squad. Today is August 6th, Independence Day. Happy Independence Day to those of you that are Jamaican, wherever in the world you are. Let's celebrate our independence and growth and prosperity. Yeah, so I'm returning back the car rental, and it was truly an experience. This has inspired me even more to start my own car rental business, because for those of you that know, me and mommy, we both have taxis on the road, and it's something that she's always been mentioning to do. And so now that I have the experience of a customer, I think I'm ready to do it my way, because I wouldn't necessarily recommend this company. He was okay, but I wouldn't necessarily recommend the business. So it's fully motivated me now, and I see where it lays as well, like where the business can go, because I made a video on TikTok and people were asking for the information. So I'm just like, why put myself in a box, especially when my mom is like my voice of reason and always pushing me to be greater and support me. And she was just saying like, you should do this, but I always came up with excuses. So I'm gonna do it, so stay tuned for that. Yeah, anywho, that's all I wanted to say. I'm here, the person for the pickup is not here yet, so I'm just gonna chill, lay back a bit, and I'll bring you guys along with me as I figure out what I'm gonna do on this Independence Day. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, and stay tuned. And keys handed over, and I'm gonna get my deposit back, because I'm a safe driver, especially when it comes to people things. When I run for people things, like I make sure I'm very careful. If you want the car come back with gas and clean, the car come back with gas and clean. And so yeah, we're gonna get our deposit back. We're heading out now. God. Fighting for survival. Buffalo soldier. Dreadlock Rasta. So we got for $5,026 thereabouts. $5,027. Dang, one in Australia, all in Jamaica.
Welcome again. I'm a general. Big up, you know? Yeah, man, every time.
Tough one. It's tough, right? This is it.